सिमोन यार म्यूट। सिमोन म्यूट पे हो।
अब सुनाई दे रहा है भाई साहब?
या गुड, थैंक यू।
ओके, धन्यवाद। नमस्ते, सुप्रभात। भारतीय योग संस्थान का धन्यवाद करते हुए योग साधना की शुरुआत करते हैं। पैरों के पंजों से सूक्ष्म व्यायाम से पैरों के पंजे, उंगलियां खोलेंगे, बंद करेंगे। सांसों पर ध्यान। हाथ घुटनों पर या साइड पर सपोर्ट के लिए। लंबी गहरी सांसें। पैरों की उंगलियां खोलेंगे, बंद करेंगे। पंजे आगे खींचे, पीछे खींचे। सांसों के साथ, हर मूवमेंट के साथ सांस को जोड़ें। स्पाइन सीधी, कंधे रिलैक्स। पीछे नहीं झुकना है। थोड़ा सीधा बैठे तो आपको रीढ़ की हड्डी दिखेगी, जो सीधी हो जाएगी। डीप ब्रेथ। रोटेशन पैरों के पंजों की। 2, 3, 4, 5। ऊपर दिशा में। 2, 3, 4 और 5। घुटनों को पकड़ते हुए राइट पैर हवा में। 1, 2, 3, 4, 5। एंकल रोटेशन। 1, 2, 3, 4, 5। ऊपर दिशा में। 2, 3, 4, 5। घुटना जमीन से लगाए। लोअर स्पाइन में खिंचाव महसूस करें। लंबी गहरी सांसें यहाँ पर। घुटना ऊपर नीचे, छाती से नीचे। सांस छोड़ते हुए छाती से लाएं। 4, 5। तलवों की मालिश, अच्छी सी मसाज। पूरे पैर के चैनल्स को एक्टिवेट करें। अंगूठे से इसकी पॉइंट्स पर प्रेशर। एंकल की रबिंग, दोनों हाथों से पकड़ते हुए कसकर रब करें। पिंडियों की रबिंग, काफ मसल्स। रबिंग योर काफ मसल्स, एक्टिवेट करें। पूरे शरीर में जैसे आई थिंक 450 लीटर ब्लड रहता है, उसमें से 75 जितना काफ मसल्स पे रहता है। इसे अच्छी सी मसाज करके एक्टिवेट करना जरूरी है। और यहाँ पर अंगूठा पैर का पकड़ते हुए रोटेशन। 2, 3, 4, 5। उप दिशा में। 2, 3, 4, 5। दूसरे पैर से कर लेंगे। होल्डिंग योर नी हवा में। 1, 2, 3, 4, 5। एंकल रोटेशन। 1, 2, 3, 4, 5। उप दिशा में। 1, 2, 3, 4, 5। घुटना जमीन से। Feel that opening in your lower perineum, in your lower back. Few deep breaths over here. लंबी गहरी सांसें। घुटना ऊपर नीचे, छाती से और नीचे। Taking to your chest, breathing out, down. 2, 3, 4, 5। और तलवों की रबिंग, massage your feet. Let's activate all the channels that are in our feet. Pressing the pressure points with your thumb. Spine straight, shoulders are relaxed. Always position shoulders away from your ears. We often raise our shoulders without realizing. Rubbing your ankle. Nice tight rub. sitting straight, spine is straight. Rubbing your calf muscles. पिंडलियों की अच्छी सी मसाज. Blood circulation को improve करें. We will need that blood circulation rolling when we stand up for our asanas. और पैर का अंगूठा पकड़ते हुए रोटेशन. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Opposite direction. 2, 3, 4, 5. Very good. Let's get into our Baddha Konasana, butterfly pose. Bringing your sit bones forward, tighten up yourself. Spine straight, shoulders relaxed, looking straight in the front, eyes closed. Attention and awareness onto your breath, your nostrils. Nice, beautiful smile on our face. दिनचर्या की शुरुआत योग साधना से. कितना अच्छा है कि हम ये शुरुआत रोज योग साधना से करते हैं. इस पर मुस्कान. A promise of 700 smiles through the day for Rajbhai Saab. A promise of 1,000 smiles through the day for yourself. Any situations, any event, just smile through this. On that thought, improve the movement in your knees. Nice big butterfly movements. Feeling the joy in your heart. मन में खुशी. पतंग की उड़ान और तेज. Observe the movement in your perineum, your lower back, your spine. Observe that breath going in through your spine, down to your lower base, your perineum, and coming out from there. Yoga means union. Union of what? Union with our breath. Union with ourselves. Raising our awareness. धीरे से movement slow करें. Slowing down your movements, bringing it to a steady space. धीर हो जाए. Total calmness. Raise your hands up to your knees. Gently press your knees down onto the yoga mat. Feel that opening. And relax. Sadhi Palati Padmasana या Ardha Padmasana में बैठ जाए. Sitting in any position. We're going to do sideward stretches. Breathing in, hands up. Breathing out, twist to your right. Micro adjustment and a little bit more twist. Correction के साथ थोड़ी और twist बनाएं. देखिए कहाँ खिंचाव है, कहाँ तनाव है. Breathe out. Let all that little small tensions go. Breathing in, come forward. Breathe out to the other side. Micro corrections, increase that stretch. Feel, connect with this movement. Where is it hurting? Is it your shoulders? Is it your lower back? Is it your neck? Release all that tension with your breath. Coming forward, breathing in, twist back to your right. Breathing in, come forward, twist back to your left. Coming forward, relax. Sideward stretches. Right hand under your knee, palm facing up towards the ceiling. Left hand up in the air. हवा में हाथ उठाते हुए लंबी सांस भरे. Breathing out, bending down to your right side. Go, 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 go. Try and make sure your sit bones are right down on the floor. Your knees are closer to the floor. Relax your right hand. Let that elbow rest on the floor and feel that stretch all on your left side. Yes, breathe into that stretch. Breathing in, come up, release. दूसरी ओर से left hand घुटने के नीचे, palm facing up. Right hand breathe in, breathing out. Bend to your left. Make sure both your sit bones are on the floor. Looking up under your arm, increase the tension on your right side. Feel that stretch. Feel as if somebody is pulling your right hand to the left side. Increase that stretch. Yes, feel it deep there. Release, come up. Nice big shoulder rotations. Let's release our shoulders, hands up, palm facing to the ceiling, then down. ऊपर ceiling की ओर, नीचे. Can you feel that rotation? Observe the effect. Are you feeling your muscles make sound all the way up to your shoulders? Yes. Last time. Now from here, nice big aeroplane arms, big rotation. We are freeing up our shoulders. Good for people who end up getting frozen shoulders, or you're sitting on the computer all day, working on the computers. Other way around, opposite direction में, एक, दो, तीन, चार, पांच. 3 बार झटक लेंगे. You can feel the tension when we are doing that with our shoulders. आगे, दो, तीन, ऊपर, एक, दो, तीन. Skanda Chalak, shoulder rotations. Bringing your elbows together, breathing in up, breathe out down. सांस भरे ऊपर, सांस छोड़े नीचे. पूरक ऊपर, रेचक नीचे. Opposite direction, Upadisha. Elbows coming in the front and touching each other. Deep breath in, deep breath out. Relax. Let's connect with our neck. Neck movements. Chin to the chest. Breathing out. Chin lifting up. Breathing in. Continue that movement. Last time, looking up. Stay there looking up. Open your mouth wide and close 10 times. This is good exercise for your jaw muscles. It's good exercise to get rid of double chin. And relax, neck rotations. First, we will take our neck to the right. To increase the stretch, you take your right hand and pull your neck a little bit more. Feel that tension. You can take your left hand, put it to the floor, increase that tension. Breathe into this. Other side. Breathe into this. Neck rotations. 3 times right to left. 3 times left to right. Slowly, there's no rush. Breathe with your movements. Going back, you breathe in. Bringing your chin forward, you breathe out. Those of you who are regular yogis and you come to my Wednesday class, you know I'm all about breath work and connecting with our breath. Because what are we after all if nothing but this breath? Can anybody imagine us being here if it wasn't for this breath? आखिरी मोमेंट के साथ मध्य में स्थिर हो जाए. सीधे बैठे, पलाठी, पद्मासन या अर्ध पद्मासन में, घुटनों पर हाथ, शरीर में स्थिरता. 3 बार लंबी ओम की ध्वनि, 3 times long vibration with the arm sound. Swaha Tatsahaviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्। हाथों में घर्षण, शरीर पर इस घर्षण की ऊर्जा को दे, घुटने खोल ले। Touching your knees right to left, bring some movement before we move on towards our asanas. Sukshma Vyayam, very important, just to give that release in the body from when we are sleeping all night. It's quite stiff. Now we are ready for our asanas. We start with cat and cow pose, Manjurasana से शुरुआत करते हुए, taking your elbows to your knees and then lifting yourself up. That's the correct distance between your hand and your knees. सांसों के साथ जुड़े with your movements. Connect with your breath, with your movements. Looking up, looking down. Nice big movement. Coming up into your posture. And coming up towards Tadasana. Sorry friends, I'll have to take off my headphones. They're not sticking. भाई साहब आपको सुनाई दे रहा है?
Yeah, it's all good, Simon.
हाँ, मेरे हेडफोन्स ना रुक नहीं रहे आज। मैंने कानों में तेल डाला था, फीलिंग वेरी ड्राई, वो हेडफोन्स निकल जा रहे। लेट्स डू ताड़ासन हियर एंड देन we'll do some yogic jogging. So nice big hand on your head for Tadasana. If you can't hear me, let me know. I'm not used to doing yoga without headphones, but the headphones will not stay. So annoying. But it brings a smile to my face, and we promise Vaisa will smile through any situation. So annoying situation, smile. Happy situation, smile. Angry situation, smile. There's a smile for every situation. Last one, coming up, hold your breath. Pull yourself up from your navel. Navel से अपने आप को खींचे, टाइटनेस महसूस करें और धीरे से नीचे आ जाए. रिलीज, हाथों को थोड़ा झटक ले और यहाँ पर हम yogic jogging. We have got 2 minutes to do nice yogic jogging. Please do yogic jogging at your own pace. If you're wearing a smartwatch, check your heartbeat. My heartbeat is sitting at 90. I want to bring it up. Heart is a muscle. We want to exercise our muscle. But yes, just a disclaimer, if anybody is a new yogi and you haven't been to the class before, please take precaution. If you have high blood pressure, किसी को high blood pressure हो, ध्यान से करें. मेरे ख्याल से भाई सब सारे रेगुलर योगी से हैं, तो किसी भी तरह की तकलीफ नहीं है. अगर आपको कोई क्वेश्चन हो तो प्लीज पूछिएगा. पानी जो ले जल्दी हाथ पानी जो अगर पानी की बॉटल मुक्ति जो पानी अब जी. Nice big jog. I ran all the way up and down. आगे पीछे जॉग करना बहुत अच्छा है. Jogging forward and backward is good for your knees. And when you're jogging in the park or walking in the park, walk in a 8, making an 8 movement. It's good for your brain when you go in a 8 form, the number 8. It stimulates both sides of your brain, your right brain and your left brain. और some knee exercises here. घुटनों के लिए थोड़ी एक्सरसाइज कर लेंगे. पीछे के घुटनों को टच करते हुए ऐसे टैपिंग योर फीट. 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. That's 20. Forward tapping. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 Just relax, mukh dhoti. Breathing out from your mouth, hands on your knees, bend forward. Breathe out from your mouth, long breath out. Ah. Check your smartwatch. You've done 4 minutes of yogic jogging. I'm at 123. You're giving good exercise to your heart muscles. Rotate your knees over here while we are relaxing our breath back to normal. We exercise our knees. 4, 5, move in the other direction. 2, 3, 4, 5. घुटना खोल के आगे से पीछे, पीछे से आगे. 2, 3, 4 और 5. हाँ, सीधे हो जाते हैं यहाँ पर. हार्ट की गति आपकी नॉर्मल पर आ गई होगी. नहीं तो 1-2 लंबी गहरी सांसें ले लें. थोड़ी सी साइडवर्ड्स पे कोणासन त्रिकोणासन करते हुए फिर चलेंगे हम फॉरवर्ड टू डूइंग सूर्य नमस्कार. Sideward touch. Hands and legs are parallel to each other. अपनी अपनी स्पीड से करें. फास्ट या स्लो आपके ऊपर है. When we are doing Shankh Prachalan, that is cleaning of our internal organs, this asana helps. Is done before we do Shankh Prachalan for improving the internal organs, cleansing of your pancreas, your liver. Make sure that your feet are grounded to the floor. It's only your upper half of the body that's rotating. The lower half of the body below your waist is grounded to the floor. Last 2. And relax. Hands on side. पैरों में अंतर और बढ़ाए. Taking a big wide between your legs. Right hand 45, right pair 45 degrees पर. Hands on the side. Deep breath in. Right की ओर झुकेंगे. और लेफ्ट के हाथ को ऊपर देखेंगे. 2, 3, 4, 5. ऊपर आ जाए. दूसरी ओर से लेफ्ट पैर को 45 डिग्रीज बाहर करें. हिप्स को फॉरवर्ड स्क्वायर करें. आगे फेसिंग फ्रंट. Deep breath in going to your left. Deep breath out going down. Holding on to your ankle if you need for support. Make sure your hips are facing forward. Looking up at that hand. Feel the tightness in your inner thighs. Opening up your hip flexors. 3, 4, 5. Coming up. Bending forward. यहाँ पर हाई ब्लड प्रेशर वाले नहीं करेंगे. आप केवल साइडवर्ड ट्विस्ट करें या कमर को गोल गोल रोटेट करें. फॉरवर्ड बेंड. टचिंग योर फीट राइट टू लेफ्ट. फास्ट और स्लो अप टू यू. धीरे करें या तेज करें. लेकिन कोशिश होगी लुकिंग अप when your hand is up. Feel that movement. Feel that stretch. And connect to your breath. सांसों के साथ जुड़ना ये जरूर ध्यान रखें हर आसनों में. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. पैरों में अंतर बढ़ा. Increase the distance between your legs. Take your head down to the floor. Relax your elbows to the floor. Feel that stretch in your inner thighs. Breathe out here. Gently sliding your feet in, coming up. Shake everything out. We are ready for Surya Namaskar. Now, if you are a regular yogi, you know Surya Namaskar. Do it at your own pace. Facing to the east direction, facing towards the sun is the best way to do Surya Namaskar. Surya Namaskar is sun salutation. So you're looking towards the east and starting your sun salutation. You can do slowly with me, with correction, connected with your posture, or you can do fast. Up to you. Om Mitraya Namaha. Breathing in up. Deep stretch from your abdomen. Om Raviye Namaha. Breathing out, forward bend from your hips. Om Suryaya Namaha. Breathing in right leg back. Om Bhanve Namaha. Breathing out other leg back. Om Khagaya Namaha. Take your shoulders away from your ears. Often in this position, our shoulders come up and near towards the ears. Push it down. Can you feel the tightness? That's where you want to be. Dandasana position, handstand. Breathing out down with your knees and chest. Om Pushane Namaha. Observe your shoulders, push them back away. Feel the tightening in your shoulders at the back. Breathing in Cobra position. Om Hiranyagarbhaya Namaha. Breathing out, mountain pose. Om Mariche Namaha. Again, take your shoulders away from your ears. Drop your chest down to the floor, taking your head closer to the floor. All the time pushing your shoulders away from your ears. Can you feel a further tightening? That's the position we want. Breathing in, right leg forward. Om Adityaya Namaha. Breathing out, other leg forward. Om Savitri Namaha. Stay in this position. Pull your abdomen in. Straighten your posture. Shoulders away from your ears. Feel the tightening in your calf muscles, your thighs. Breathing in, coming up. Om Alkai Namaha. Breathing out, hands together, Namaskar. Om Bhaskarai Namaha. Now from the left side, with your breath, with your counts. Om Mitrai Namaha. Breathing up. Om Raviye Namaha. Breathe out, forward bend. Om Suryaya Namaha. Left leg back, breathe in. Om Bhanve Namaha. Other leg back, breathe out. Shoulders correction. Om Khagaya Namaha. Handstand. Chin and knees down. Om Pushane Namaha. Breathing in Cobra. Om Hiranyagarbhaya Namaha. Mountain pose. Om Mariche Namaha. Shoulders away from your ears. Breathe in, left leg forward. Om Adityaya Namaha. Breathe out, other leg forward. Om Savitri Namaha. Breathe in up. Om Arkai Namaha. Namaskar Mudra. Om Bhaskarai Namaha. Now one round by yourself, little bit more speed. You've done the correction, you know your breath work. Let's give it a go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 और 12. आखिरी बार लेफ्ट साइड से 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. Lying down on your yoga mat. सांसें तेज हो गई है, पानी का एक घूंट पी ले अगर चाहे तो, ज्यादा नहीं, because now we're going to do lying down and we're going to do Sarvangasana, so not too much water please. लेटे हुए मकर आसन की स्थिति में अपनी सांसों को सामान्य करेंगे. मकर आसन की स्थिति में घुटने बेंड, हाथ और साइड पर, दोनों घुटने ले जाएंगे राइट की ओर, मस्तिष्क लेफ्ट की ओर, looking to your left, both the knees are on the right, twist more from your waist, कमर से थोड़ा सा और ट्विस्ट बढ़ाए, और यहाँ पर लंबी गहरी सांसें, डीप ब्रेथ, bringing your breath to normal. दूसरी ओर से दोनों घुटनों को ले जाएंगे लेफ्ट की ओर और कमर को ले जाएंगे, गर्दन को ले जाएंगे राइट की ओर. Breathe into this posture. Breathe into this asana. घुटने ऊपर ले आए, दोनों घुटनों को योगा मैट की एज पर ले जाए, taking your feet to the edge of yoga mat. Both your knees relax to the right side, looking to your left. अगर सांस सामान्य हो गई है तो यहाँ पर कपालभाति जरूर करें. उप दिशा में दोनों घुटनों को ले जाएंगे लेफ्ट की ओर, मस्तिष्क अपना राइट की ओर. तीसरी विधि, राइट घुटने को बेंड करें, लेफ्ट हैंड से राइट घुटना पकड़े, होल्ड योर राइट नी विद योर लेफ्ट हैंड, टेक योर राइट नी टू योर लेफ्ट, लुकिंग टू योर राइट, increase that stretch. If you are flexible with your right hand, hold your left foot and pull your left foot up. Feel that stretch in your left thigh. As you deep breathe in and deep breathe out, you sink into this posture and just enjoy the release from the stretch. Opposite direction, release your posture. लेफ्ट घुटना ऊपर करे, राइट की ओर ले जाए हाथ से, राइट हैंड से, और लेफ्ट पैर का पंजा पकड़े, राइट पैर का पंजा सॉरी, और लेफ्ट हैंड से पकड़ते हुए इसे खींचे. Breathe into this stretch. Release. Pavan Muktasan. Pavan Muktasan. Release wind pose, releasing all the unnecessary wind from your body, the gas, the bloating. राइट घुटना बेंड करें, राइट पैर का पंजा पकड़े या इसे घुटने से पकड़कर पेट पर दबाए. Put that pressure on your stomach. Other leg, left leg can be slightly up in the air or just relaxed on the floor, depending on your flexibility. And Kapalbhati here, or just stay steady, up to you. दूसरी ओर से opposite leg, bend your left knee, hold your left foot, or just hold from your knee and press your knee into your body, raise your chin, take it to your knee, chin को ले जाए घुटने के पास. रिलीज. दोनों पैरों को एक साथ दबाते हुए पैर पेट पर, दोनों घुटनों को एक साथ पकड़ ले, chin to your knees. रिलीज. अब यहाँ पर एक लेटे हुए ताड़ासन करेंगे, 1 से 2 सामान्य सांसें कर ले, उसके बाद ताड़ासन और फिर आसनों के फ्लो पर चलेंगे. नावासन, सर्वांगासन, हलासन. अपनी अपनी क्षमता से, if anyone's new or you have high blood pressure, please avoid Sarvangasana, also it gives a lot of pressure on your heart. You can just lie down and do Makarasana or gentle stretches or Chakrasana, whichever is suitable. Long breath, Tadasana. Take your hands above your head, feet together. Deep breath in, hold your breath and put on all the three bandhas. तीनों लॉक लगाते हुए होल्ड करें. ऐसा महसूस हो रहा है जैसे कोई पैर और कोई अपने हाथ खींच रहा है. एकदम शरीर टाइट करें, सांसों को होल्ड करे रखें. होल्ड, 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 होल्ड और रिलैक्स. नाव आसन में चलते हुए जो एकदम सीधा नाव आसन कर सकते हैं वो इस तरह से नाव आसन में सीधे आ जाए. अगर कोई तकलीफ हो घुटनों में तो घुटने बेंड करते हुए नाव आसन करें. 5 बार रोल करें. गुड एक्सरसाइज फॉर योर स्पाइन. रोलिंग and then going out into halasana or sarvangasana. अपनी अपनी क्षमता से होल्ड कीजिएगा. When you're up in halasana or in sarvangasana, just count. Focus on your breath. See how long you can hold. It's good exercise for your internal organs. Halasana में thyroid glands एकदम सही रहते हैं. सर्वांगासन, सर्वांग का आसन अपने हार्ट की क्षमता बढ़ाता है. मस्तिष्क में ब्लड सर्कुलेशन बढ़ाता है. अच्छा, हलासन में तो सर्वांगासन में चले, सर्वांगासन में तो हलासन में चले. धीरे से अपना आसन छोड़े और आराम से लेट जाए. सांसों की गति तेज हो गई होगी. सांसों को सामान्य करें. Bring your breath to normal. Deep breath out. Let everything go. Feel that relaxation through your entire body. इसका उपासन करेंगे. Forward bend, backward bend, opposites we have to practice. सोते सोते मत्स्यासन करेंगे. Fish pose, lying down. Bend your knees. Go into Padmasan or just normal Palati. Hold your knees. Put your spine flat on the ground. Bring your knees to the floor. Raise your neck up, looking back. Take your hands, keep them on your thighs. And relax. This is so good to improve our thyroid gland function. Kapalbhati here, or just stay here, looking backwards. Feel that curve in your spine. Your spine is upraised from the floor. Feel that stretch in your neck. Gently raising your head, bring it down. Release your Padmasan. Take a turn, coming onto your stomach. Now we're going to do some asanas, lying down on our stomach, starting with our Tikki pose. मकरटासन में अच्छे से घुटनों की एक्सरसाइज कर लेते हैं. ऊपर नीचे घुटने 10 से 20 बार. अपने शरीर का धन्यवाद करते हुए. Our body is like a vehicle. You know how you buy a new car and you look after it, and then slowly the car starts to become older and then it needs regular service.
You still love the car because it's your car. So like that, our body. When you're born, we have a new car. The soul lives in a brand new car. Everything's working well. As you grow older, small things, car becomes a little bit stalled. And we thank our body for whatever it is. We are living in this body. We look after it. We service it every day through yoga. आइए यहाँ से चलेंगे धनुरासन बो पोज में. दोनों पैरों के पंजों को पकड़े, कसकर खींचे, घुटने साथ में ले आए, जमीन से ऊपर, knees away from the floor, chest away from the floor. Tighten your bow, smile on your face. Yes, we did it. Rolling forward, backward. As you roll, if you are capable of rolling, high blood pressure, please avoid. Breathing out when you roll forward, breathing in when you come up. 2, 3, 4, 5. Or sideways, breathing out on the side. Breathe in when you're on your stomach. It's good massage for all the internal organs in your abdomen. This rolling keeps your stomach, liver, pancreas, kidneys, everything active. Takes off that excess fat, which gathers on these internal organs. And coming in the middle, relax. Take yourself away from the floor in child's pose and nice big stretch. In child's pose, we take the pressure away from our stomach because we've given a lot of massage and a lot of pressure. Coming up, Mandukasana. मुट्ठी बनाते हुए मुट्ठी नाभि पर रखेंगे, वज्रासन में बैठ जाए. यदि वज्रासन में बैठने में तकलीफ हो तो आप सादी पलाठी में बैठ जाएं. And Mandukasana, good exercise for keeping your diabetes in control. Must practice this asana every day. Muthi बनाए, thumb in, roll your muthi, take your fist onto your abdomen. Deep breath out, tuck your stomach in, bend forward. Steady over here, don't drop your neck. Keeping your neck straight as if parallel to the ground, you're looking at it. Take your shoulders away from your ears. Our shoulders lift and come closer to the ears, drop them down. Yes. Coming up, dusri vidhi. Open your palms, open palms on your navel. Breathing out, suck your abdomen in, bend forward. Feel that pressure on your abdomen. Yes, that's what we want, that pressure on our abdomen. ऊपर आ जाए. तीसरी विधि, आखिरी विधि, the third kriya. Make fist with your right hand or your left hand. Keep the other palm open. Keep that fist on your abdomen. Other open palm on top of this fist. Deep breath in. Breathe out. Pull that abdomen in and bring down. In this third kriya, you feel the most tightness. It's almost as if you can hear your heartbeat in your stomach. Focus on that. Can you hear it? कितने लोगों को दिल की धड़कन सुनाई देती है? मुझे बाद में बताना, योगा अपना सेशन हो जाए उसके बाद. ऊपर आ जाए. Coming up. Now, forward bend, we have to do it opposite, which is backward bend. Coming up in Ustrasana or Supta Vajrasana, up to you. If your knees are flexible, you can do Supta Vajrasana. If you've got trouble with your knees, you can come in this Ustrasana position. Backward bend. You can keep your feet flat on the floor, or you can raise up your heels, up to you. And backward bend, we have to touch our heels. And bring your body, slide your body forward. Relax, drop your shoulders away from your ears. Feel it stretch a little bit more in your thighs, in your back. Coming up straight into Gomukhasana, cow pose. Cow pose में जो घुटना ऊपर है, my left knee is up from the front, so my left hand will go back from the front. दोनों हाथों को एक दूसरे में पिरो ले. Getting both your hands interlocked at the back. If you can't interlock, you must keep like one handkerchief, a scarf, or one of those yoga bells and pull them together. Straighten your chest, drop your shoulders away from your ears. We feel always our shoulders go up. Looking straight, Kapalbhati here, or just stay here, feel that stretch, opening up of your chest. But Kapalbhati is good to do because your chest is so open, you can get rid of all the negative urja in your body through Kapalbhati. Swap. Sometimes I find one side is harder than the other. It's always the side that we use a lot, which is more flexible. And relax. Vakrasana, sideways. Opening up your legs. Raise your right knee. इसे left knee पर cross करा दे. Right की ओर twist हो जाए. Twisting to your right. Take your hand, cross it over and hold. Thank you to all the yogis who got your video on. I feel inspired when I see your videos. It makes me want to do better. So I really want to give you gratitude for having that video on. Thank you. Change. दूसरी ओर से. Release. Coming forward in Singhasana, lion pose. 3 बार अच्छी सी शेर की दहाड़. Roaring like a lion. Let's wake up the whole house. आई थिंक मैंने घर के साथ अपने पड़ोसियों को भी उठा दिया है. इसी बात पर अच्छी सी हंसी कर लेते हैं. खुलकर हंसी करें. हाँ. आखिरी बार बोलकर. पूरा मन खोलकर हंस लिया. शांत. शरीर शांत, मन शांत, चेहरे पर मुस्कान. We're going to go into pranayam. Let's bring our focus within ourselves. Few deep breaths, focusing inwards. I light a candle every morning for my yoga.
if you light a tea light candle, bring that candle into your awareness. It helps to deepen your pranayam. आप सभी के लिए दीप ज्योति। आइए, इसे मैं यहाँ रख दूंगी। पद्मासन, अर्ध पद्मासन या सादी पलाठी में बैठे। दिया, दीप सूर्य का स्वरूप है। हमारी जिंदगी है, रोशन है, सूर्य है तो रोशन है। इसलिए इसको धन्यवाद करते हुए योग प्राणायाम की शुरुआत लंबी ओम की ध्वनि के साथ, यूजिंग द वाइब्रेशन ऑफ द आर्म साउंड। कपालभाति क्रिया के साथ शुरुआत। Kapalbhati is not a pranayam, it's a kriya. It's where we get rid of all the toxins from our body. Deep breath in, and then focuses on throwing your breath out. Release that breath and just focus on breathing out. You can keep one palm on your abdomen to feel that breath going outwards. That keeps your focus and your attention. Usually our mind starts to think of several things. See, mind is like just keeps playing its own movie. We have no control. But that's the job of the mind, to keep thinking, which is what it does. To bring our awareness to our pranayam, just try and engage ourselves. Keep one hand on your abdomen, doing Kapalbhati, breathing out, bringing your center, your awareness in within yourself. If you're lighting a lamp or a diya, you can keep your eyes open and keep your focus on that diya. That is a good way to do Tratak and do Kapalbhati at the same time. Looking at a lighted diya, a candle, is really good for Tratak. त्राटक जैसे कहते हैं, हम सूर्य को देखकर त्राटक करते हैं। अब आज तो सूर्य नहीं है, क्लाउडी दिन है, तो आप दिए को भी देखें और ये 10 मिनट की कपालभाति में आपका 10 मिनट का त्राटक हो जाएगा। इससे eyesight is going to be strong. You're going to get rid of your numbers. वेरी गुड, बहुत अच्छे से हो रहा है। 2 मिनट और। शांत। नासिका पर ध्यान। फोकस ऑन योर नॉस्ट्रल। Observe how your breath has stopped. Maybe it's moving really slow. Slow enough for you to be aware of it. This is a state of bliss. Kevalya Kumbhak. The highest state of awareness. A state of absoluteness where nothing exists. ना कोई मन में विचार, न शरीर में हलचल, सांसों की गति एकदम धीमी। इसके साथ जुड़े। दोनों सांसों में समानता आ गई है। भस्त्रिका की ओर बढ़ेंगे। भस्त्रिका वज्रासन में या पद्मासन में ही आप कर सकते हैं। मुट्ठी बनाए, मुट्ठी को 20 बार ऊपर नीचे खोलेंगे, 20 बार आगे पीछे। लंबी गहरी सांस लेते हुए। हाई प्रेशर वाले सावधानी से करें, धीरे धीरे करें। फॉरवर्ड। साइडवेज। क्लैपिंग। फॉरवर्ड बेंड। Bring your breath to normal. Feel that 100% energy coursing through the palms of your hand. आइए ऊपर आ जाए और प्राणायाम की शुरुआत। 2 से 3 लंबी गहरी सांसें। Bring your awareness to your core, to your center, your abdomen. We'll start with Antar Kumbhak. Antar Kumbhak is where you take a deep breath in and put on all 3 bandhas and hold. Count in your mind to keep your focus inwards, bringing your mind to still a calm place. See how long you can hold. एक से दो सामान्य सांसें. Take a few normal breaths. And we'll do the opposite of this, which is Baya Kumbhak, releasing all your breath and putting on your 3 bandhas. Take a few normal breaths before we move to Agnisar. Agnisar is your fire belly. पूरी सांस बाहर छोड़ेंगे, breathing entire breath out and then moving your belly forward backwards. You cannot put all your 3 locks on, just focus on that Mool Bandh. कुछ सामान्य सांसें. Bring your breath to normal. Anulom Vilom. Alternate nostril breathing, always starting with your left nostril, your moon nostril. Experienced yogis can do Nari Shodhan here, where you breathe in, you hold for a few seconds, then you breathe out from the opposite nostril. मूल बंद लगा रहे, इसका ख्याल. You want your Mula Bandha lock on because what you're trying to do is raise the Kundalini from your perineum, your lower back, up towards your Sahasrara chakra. So always have your Mool Bandh on. Your Kundalini, your energy, your Shakti is like a coiled snake. It's sitting in your perineum. And through practice of pranayam, yoga, we're trying to raise it upwards to our pineal gland. कल किसी ने बताया था कि प्राणायाम के वक्त हमारा ध्यान कहीं जाते रहता है। अपना ध्यान एकत्रित करने के लिए आप यहाँ पर अनुलोम विलोम में गायत्री मंत्र कर सकते हैं। एक पंक्ति के साथ सांस भरें, एक पंक्ति के साथ होल्ड करें, एक पंक्ति के साथ छोड़ें और अंतिम पंक्ति में थोड़ा होल्ड करें। इससे आपका ध्यान भी आपके अंतर्गत रहेगा। आखिरी सांस लेफ्ट नासिका से छोड़े, स्थिर हो जाए। मन शांत, दोनों नासिकाओं में समानता का भाव। ऊंचाई 3 से 5 आवर्तन। Roll your tongue, kick it at the back, put on your three bandhas and snore making that snoring sound, good for stimulating your thyroid glands. 3 to 5 rounds. Brahmari, humming like a bee, feel that vibration through your body. Feel it coming, rising upwards towards your forehead. 3 to 5 rounds. Three times Om. This time with your Om vibration, feel it rising up from your belly all the way up to your pineal gland, your Sahasrara chakra. Observe how your Om sound has become much deeper than from when you started. Om Dyo Shanti Antarikshigvam Shanti Prithvi Shanti Rapa Shanti Roshadayah Shanti Vanaspatayah Shanti Vishwadeva Shanti Brahma Shanti Sarvakvam Shanti Shanti Deva Shanti Sama Shanti Redi Om Shanti Shanti शांति। दोनों हाथों में करके योग साधना से जो ऊर्जा आई है, इस ऊर्जा को इस कर्षण से अपने सातों चक्रा पर दे दें, अपने शरीर पर लगाएं, चेहरे पर घुमाएं, हथेलियां खोले, आंखें खोले, मेरे साथ कहें, कराग्रे वसते लक्ष्मी, कर्म देतु सरस्वती, कर मुले तो गोविंदा, प्रभाते कर दर्शनम। ओम शांति शांति शांति। भारतीय योग संस्थान का धन्यवाद हमें योग से जोड़ने के लिए। अरुण भाई साहब, राज भाई साहब, आपका धन्यवाद और सभी योगीज का धन्यवाद साथ में जुड़ने के लिए। हैव अ ब्यूटीफुल डे फ्रेंड्स।
थैंक यू सिमोन। वेलकम भाई साहब। नींद नहीं आ रही क्या आपको?
थैंक यू।
थैंक्स 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 इमान जी।